Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video I thought I would share with you two great exercises for the legs, great exercise strengthening and also helping with mobility. This is also great for seniors as well. Now if you would like another prop, you can have a table or something on the side if you need a little bit more help to just sort of get yourself up out of a chair. So what we're going to do first, we're just going to roll our shoulders back a couple of times and just set them into place, back nice and straight, placing our hand onto our tummy and just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that core, that engagement. We're going to place our legs together and we're just gently going to stand up and sit down, and we're going to do this 5 times. So standing up and gently coming down, hands to the side or onto our knees. That's 3, 4 and 5. And now we're going to do the same, and we're going to have our hands in front of us here, so lifting up, and this should be easier with momentum. Again, we'll do this 5 times. 3, 4, remembering to hold that core, and 5, and gently come down. Then we're going to have our arms placed out, and again coming up for 1, 2. Now if you like, you can go slightly slower if you like, or faster, and 5. So now we want to place our legs slightly in an outwards motion and maybe prop ourselves slightly sort of closer to the end of the chair, remembering to hold that core, that engagement, and just lift up with the body for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and come back down, and then again legs slightly out at an angle with the feet, and let's have our arms out again in front of us for 1, come down, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and gently come back down, arms out for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and gently come back down. Just roll the shoulders back and just do a little bit of gentle twisting. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up. And please comment down below, tell me where you're from, and if there's any other massage exercises you'd like me to share with you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.